Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you the best VPN for TikTok in Pakistan. TikTok is often restricted in certain regions, and using a VPN is the most reliable way to access it securely and without limitations. Make sure to check the link in the description to get started with a VPN. If you're in Pakistan and trying to use TikTok, you might face issues with access due to regional restrictions. A VPN, or virtual private network, allows you to bypass these restrictions by changing your virtual location and encrypting your internet connection. For this purpose, one of the best VPNs is NordVPN. It provides excellent security features, fast connection speeds, and access to servers in many countries. You'll find a link in the description where you can create an account and start using it. To get started, download the NordVPN app from their official website or your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and log in using your credentials. On the home screen, you'll see a map or a list of servers. Choose a server in a country where TikTok is accessible. For example, you could select servers in the United States or Canada. Click on the country and the app will connect you to a server in that location. Once connected, you'll see a notification confirming that your VPN is active. Now, open the TikTok app on your phone or go to the TikTok website. You'll find that TikTok is now accessible without any restrictions. Using NordVPN also ensures your privacy and security while browsing TikTok. It encrypts your data and protects you from any potential cyber threats. This is especially important when using public Wi-Fi or unsecured networks. If you you can switch to a different server or contact NordVPN's customer support. Remember that a paid VPN like NordVPN is more reliable than free options because it provides consistent performance and a stable connection. That's it. Make sure to check the link in the description to get started with NordVPN.